Crown or pag-ibig?
Honestly, let's
Crown.
go to Thailand. Okay na tayo.
Hello mga mi, hello mga pageant fans, I'm back for another vlog. So for today's video mga mi, andito tayo sa Hello Glow event. Yes, andito tayo sa Hello Glow event for the fashion show, of course, sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. So tara! Crown o pag-ibig?
Honestly, I really want to have both. I'm a strong believer that when you love to do something, when you're passionate about something, you can always do both. Because of course, when you have an inspiration, when you love someone, and when someone loves you, it should be an inspiration. And when you're inspired, when someone's supporting you, pushing you to do whatever dreams you want, whatever goals, you will always have the crown.
And I?
Thank you. I am Micah Martinez, your Miss Universe Philippines Cabanatuan City.
Anong pipiliin mo? Corona o pag-ibig?
Ooh. Well, I would pick my love for the crown. Oh, that's what I would pick.
I love it. Miss Bulacan, nakita ko siya with Sherman. Hi! Pwede ba mag-short interview?
Sure.
Okay, basic question lang naman to. Corona o pag-ibig?
Corona.
Eh,
Kasi ang pag-ibig ay corona din. So for me, pag pinili mo yung crown, you also choose the love for yourself, love for others. So it's always the crown.
love that.
Diba?
Di ba ambush?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Anong pipiliin mo? Corona o pag-ibig?
Oh, grabe naman. Corona.
Why?
Siyempre, with the accomplishments, magpo-follow din yung pag-ibig.
Win! May question lang ako sa'yo. Since katapos na ng Feb-ibig month natin, anong pipiliin? Corona o pag-ibig?
Alam mo, sa status ko na, mag-explain
Yeah,
no?
it's okay.
Mag-explain ako sa status ko ngayon. Siyempre, nung medyo bata-bata ako, I will choose the crown.
Yeah.
Pero now, kasi I have a family, I have a partner and a daughter, I will choose love. Pag-ibig. Kasi I truly believe love goes hand in hand with the crown. If it's not because of the love of my family, I wouldn't be able to reach the crown.
Mic drop.
Yeah.
Naramdaman ko yun.
Talaga ba? Yan na naman tayo eh. Oo nga. So, yun.
I love it. I love your answer. Corona o pag-ibig?
For me, I want to be transparent. I would say pag-ibig. Because I think that when you have love, not just with love sa boyfriend but with love with family, love with friends, I think that the crown is something that just represents your responsibilities. But the love for people, it's, it supports the love above all advocacy that we have. Kaya I would say pag-ibig.
Love it. What are you going to choose? Love or crown?
Well, if someone is the love of my life, they will support me to get the crown. And if I have to stay single for that crown, then I guess so.
I love it. Thank you.
Thank you po.
We just looked at each other. May awkward silence.
Tawa. Ito na.
We're matching today.
Yeah, matching.
He's also gonna walk the runway as
Yeah,
candidate
later
number
on.
7.
You have to watch for it.
You have to make sure
Yeah.
you can see our candidate number 17's walk later.
What are you going to choose? Crown or love?
For me, I've also thought about this already. I would choose the crown because the crown is sometimes a once in a lifetime opportunity that you are given that, only happens sometimes once in your life. And if someone really loves you, they'll wait for you. But this, sort of calling, this fate that you have may only come once and not again. So I would definitely choose the crown, and then hopefully the love of my life could wait for me.
Of course, he will support you to win the
Of course.
crown.
Eh, ikaw?
I cannot choose.
Wow.
lang. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Crown or pag-ibig?
Hoy, pwedeng both. For now, it's really about the crown. But still, you can't get the crown naman without pag-ibig. So as long as we're living, as long as we're here, we have pag-ibig in our hearts and we can actually use that to get the crown.
Of course.
Yeah.
If that person loves you, he will support you.
That's true. That's so true. So kung nasan ka man, kung sino ka man, halika na. Char.
Tara na tayo.
Go!
What are you going to choose? Love or crown?
Crown, of course. Love can wait. And if he truly loves you, he will go and support you. So, crown tayo for this year.
Of course.
Oo.
Let's go. Tara
Let's
na.
go.
Let's get the crown.
Let's go to Thailand.
Tara na, let's go na. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Get
Alis
pack your
na kami.
bags. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Naiya ako. Ikaw na mag-start.
Vlog ko! Hello, vlog!
Naiya ako.
Hello, people! Welcome to my vlog. Ganun. I'll take over.
Sige, take over to. So, ito na. What are you going to choose? Crown or love?
Ooh. Very, ASMR.
ASMR pa.
I choose. Siyempre, crown, because I stepped into this journey, with that determination and passion to really conquer the Miss Universe Philippines. So,
Yeah.
yung focus ko talaga is on the crown.
Amazing!
Kasi kung talagang mahal ka ng tao, he or she will support you in whatever you want.
Totoo naman. At saka, step by the step kasi, magsasuccess ka. Tama?
Wow, nag-success na ako. Pero step by the
Step by the step. Okay? Okay. Love it. Okay na yan, Momo. Okay na to? What are you going to choose? Crown or love?
Love na lang naman this time. Love naman. Char for the crown. The love for the crown and love for the people around me.
Ay, short but simple.
Terrible.
Terrible talaga.
Sure ba?
Yes, thank you so much, Yana. Ang ganda mo.
Thank
Ayan. So, I'm with Marie Atisa Manalo, Quezon Province.
Hello.
Fit girl tayo ngayon. Nasa Hello Glow tayo.
Correct.
Ito na, anong pipiliin natin? Crown or puso? O pagmamahal?
Abi sumagot to. Crown. Makakapaghintay ang pag-ibig. Next time na yan. Next year na yan. Priorities first. Ito muna.
Yes, manifesting.
Manifesting.
So it's a wrap, mga mi. So katatapos lang natin ngayon dito mismo sa headquarters ng Ever Belena. And then now, ngayon mismo mga mi, dediretso tayo ngayon sa SM North for the fashion show. So let's go. Samahan niyo ako.